Why the AmScope SM-4TPZZ-30WR-18M3 is banned in boring labs. Insane 180x microscope review. You ever feel like your gear is holding you back? Like you're squinting into a microscope from 2002, praying for focus while your deadline laughs in your face? Whether you're soldering microchips, inspecting quality defects, or dissecting samples, those old tools just don't cut it anymore. You waste hours fiddling with lighting, fighting unstable stands, and capturing grainy, useless footage. Your eyes are strained, your patience is fried, and your workflow? Shattered. That heavy feeling of this should be faster is real, and it's slowly chipping away at your productivity and your sanity. Now crank that frustration up to 180x. You're missing tiny flaws that cost big money. Your inspection footage? Blurry and late. That sweet spot between precision and speed? Never shows up. The clock keeps ticking while your microscope keeps wobbling. Meanwhile, your competition has already zoomed past, literally and metaphorically. If your current setup's a chaotic mess of limited range, poor lighting, and clunky capture tools, you're not just behind, you're bleeding time, money, and energy. It's death by 1,000 tweaks, and it's time to end the madness. Enter the AmScope SM-4TPZZ-30WR-18M3, your lab's new MVP. With a mind-blowing 3.5x to 180x magnification range, simul-focal viewing, and an 18-megapixel USB 3.0 camera, it's a beast built for serious work. This bad boy doesn't just sit pretty, it moves like a pro with its multi-arm boom stand and buttery ball bearing pivots. Simul-focal magic means you see everything live while your team watches it unfold on screen, no lag, no switching. Pair that with the insane clarity of a 30-watt LED fiber optic ring light and you've got the clearest view in the lab or workshop. QC, engraving, electronics repair, whatever your grind, this microscope unlocks your efficiency. Still using a clunky scope from the Stone Age? Ditch the guesswork. The AmScope SM-4TPZZ-30WR-18M3 is your all-in-one lab savior. It simplifies workflows with ultra-clear stereo optics, extended working distance, adjustable diopters, and imaging software that actually works. That feeling of flow? It's back. And so is your edge. Whether you wear glasses or goggles, this scope is ready for you. Want fewer errors, faster results, and happier clients? Then it's time to zoom into greatness. Tap that description, explore the specs, and see why pros swear by this monster. Don't wait till it's sold out again, stock is limited and the buzz is real. Thousands of engineers, biologists, and tech repair wizards have already made the switch and never looked back. You can join them, right now. Say goodbye to eye strain, missed flaws, and wobbly stands. Say hello to precision, clarity, and confidence. Hit that link, grab yours before it vanishes, and feel the difference a proper microscope makes. You don't just deserve better gear, you need it. Seize this chance, crush your next project, and dominate your workspace with AmScope's finest.